Standing here in an empty room, I saw you there and my blood ran cold. Take me back to the last September, don't know how I ever let you go. I was young, didn't know better, you were not gonna get enough. Don't know how I ever let you go. Find me another place and time, if only.
எங்க போனாலும் ஒன்ன தேடி ஆசை பின்னால போகும் எங்க பார்த்தாலும் ஒன்ன போல தோற்றம் முன்ன
完了完了完了 ，BBQ 了，真的 BBQ 了，真的完蛋了，怎么会这样？怎么变这样？真的 BBQ 了 ，BBQ 了，真的 BBQ 了，BBQ 了，真的完蛋了。
回答问题的时候有3种回答，是哪3种？还有呢？还有呢？还可以说好，知道，道是第4声，要说知道。对，跟过分一个声，过分怎么说？真棒呀，真棒！
Tu ne me dis pas les choses, tu ne me dis pas les choses. Allô, 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 LB, je deviens paro.
Do you know that if you pour oil down the sink, your house can flood and you can go to jail? Let me explain. When you pour oil down the sink, it mixes with the soap and creates a grease ball that clogs your drain and floods your house. This is not fake news, it happened to my house. Well, technically, my parents. And what happened to my house could happen to the whole city and even ruin our oceans and lakes. That's why pouring oil down your sink is illegal. So how should we get rid of this oil then? Well, firstly, don't pour oil down the sink. Once the oil cools down, filter it into a plastic bottle and store it away from the sun. You can even reuse it if it's not burnt and if you didn't mix different types of oil. Just make sure to keep that bottle sealed tight, otherwise it will spill and pollute. So the next time you have an urge to pour that oil down the sink, instead put it in a container and get it recycled. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.
Didn't care that much, but I realize when you hang up, I messed this up. I spend my weekends trying to get you off my mind again. I can't make it stop. I'm trying to.
嬷嬷，你要吃鸡腿啊？老姨给你放点佐料。What？ 那吃吧，吃啊！不要，你不吃啊？不吃我叫豆豆来。豆豆，快过来，来，过来吃鸡腿。来，过来，鸡腿来吃啊。
Dengarkanlah, di sepanjang malam aku berdoa, bersujud dan lalu aku meminta, semoga kita bersama. Dengarkanlah, di sepanjang malam aku berdoa.
my BF into thinking we need to refill.